guys, welcome to Pearl Property. Today I bring you to see the nice pool villa and affordable price around Naklua area. Is on Sukhumvit Road. You can exit on Sukhumvit 29, which is around 10 minutes to Bangkok Festival Pattaya and maybe 15 minutes to Terminal 21 and close to Naklua Seafood Market, the biggest seafood market in Pattaya. This village, there are 48 houses and it's like lovely design. There are swimming pool and clubhouse on the back, the clubhouse and the front. So you have gym, kid rooms, co-working room, meeting room at the clubhouse. And every villa, you have like a small jacuzzi. Follow me to see the details. House 3-bedroom plus 1 working room and have small jacuzzi on the back. The land size 96 square meter and the living space 180 square meter, 2-story modern style house. Follow me to see the detail. You have remote control automatic gate. You can park 1 car. After that, you can walk to the entrance. And this is the house entrance. The door, you can use key card or password. I would say like a nice and affordable price house with like good size of living space. So when you entrance, you have quite nice and big living room, high ceiling. The house not include the furniture, so the price 5.29 million baht. But if you want to get built-in and furniture also, it will come up to 6.5 million baht. 4 chair of dining table set with the nice chandelier. This is European kitchen setup, top and hood fridge. This is for the sink. Near the entrance, I forgot to point out, this is the shoe cabinet. Actually, they use good on space management. So you have like shoe cabinet area. This is probably for your keys, and you have more storage here. Under the stair, this one is washing machine, and you have some more space for the storage. This is guest toilet, and this is the working room where I mentioned. So there are 1 room downstairs. You can use as, I don't know, small bedroom for your kid, or you can use as a working room. See the small jacuzzi pool at the back of your house. You can have small chair and table for your coffee time. Pool have fountain, which is quite nice and relaxed at your home. L-shaped sofa, they're nice. Ceiling tile aircon, built-in TV. You can open the terrace and jump into the pool just to get you cool down. Of course, if you would like to swim, there are the big common area pool. So you can use that swimming pool for real swimming. This one just for relax. That's all about ground floor. Now follow me to see the second floor. This is the staircase. Actually, I would say the size is pretty nice, not too narrow, and there are small nice chandelier near the staircase to make the stair look nicer. Second floor, you will have the 1 bathroom here for sharing of 2 bedrooms. This one is master bed, biggest size. You have balcony for outdoor view. This is built-in for wardrobe, TV, king size bed. You can have small sofa here. This one have bathroom, shower room. Nice color of the marble, black color in shower rooms and white color at the outside. Toilet and sink, vanity table. This is other 2 bedroom. I think the good part here that they make quite high ceiling. I feel like it's around 3 meter, 3.2 meter. That's why it make the house not so small. Even the size is not so big, but the ceiling can help to make the houses look nice. So this is like guest bedroom and another guest bedroom. Everything use wood color, so earth tone, wardrobe, vanity table, bed, mattress. So if you get furniture package, you get all this. Built-in furnitures and loose furniture. The line of the ceiling come like this. This one is the shared bathroom. The size, I would say, same as in master bedroom. So you have shower room, toilet. Toilet is quite nice design. And this is the sink. Yeah, that's just about the house. Villa La Richie on North Pattaya. So if you love to stay around North Pattaya area, very close to Sukhumvit, like 2 minutes, 5 minutes to Naklua. Market area, like 10 to 15 minutes to Pattaya is convenient. Or actually, if you have a kid to go to school at Regent School from here, I would say also around 10 minutes. This is quite convenient location. The house for this price, quite like not many that you can find a new house for this price. So I would say like for this budget of house is really nice for what you get. Now there are 2 available for 5.29 million and nice communities. You have common area of the villa with swimming pool, gym, kid rooms, meeting room. So if you like this house, please like and subscribe for me. And every week I bring you to see the house and the condo in Pattaya. So see you again next week.